Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I am in the process of doing some laser engraving. So I went ahead, I installed the app, clicked on the picture, sent it to the engraver, and it is now burning that image on some wood, and it looks fantastic. So let me tell you all about it, and we're gonna kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. Now, first and foremost, I have to tell you, I'm not a do-it-yourself engraver 3D burner guy. I have a hard time with that sort of thing. So it was really cool that this was so easy to use. It came with the frame assembled out of the box, with the crossbar, and all I had to do was put the laser and connect the two wires. In previous examples, when I've had to put together my own engravers, it's taken hours. This literally took about 10 minutes. Less than that, actually. Very simple process, very intuitive. Now, over here, just out of camera range, there's a USB that goes right in there. That will hold your image. And for me, it was easiest to use the software, the AtomStack software on my phone to just connect. In the connection process, you just select it in your Wi-Fi, and then the PASSWORD default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I tell you that, it's on screen, but I missed it the first time. So easy to use. Over on the side up front, just off camera, there's an emergency turn off switch, power switch. And yeah, in the time it's taken me to make this video, we're about, I'm gonna say 50% to 70% done with a small stamp size image of Amy. This is my first practice image. I'm so excited about this because now that I get an idea for it, I'm already thinking, what can I print next? You can put toys, figures, you can do a lot of cool art with this. And I'm super excited about it. I was a little intimidated at first, but this is not a hard process to master. It's really intuitive and it does the work for you. So, it's got bumpers to make sure that the ends are safe. It's got all sorts of stuff, and this is a really smart design. Now, what else can I tell you about it? It has the laser, the expand interface, the light, the reset, the HDMI, connect this display screen for offline control, USB XY interface. So, the cool thing is when you are in the app, which is available in your app store, you can select an image. You can create your own image. We did a little bit with a hot air balloon. I did a lot of different images, but this is just the starts. Now that I've got the whole hang of it, after the first time using it, I'm thinking about toys and action figures I can put on there. A lot of people do cutting boards. We're gonna do Watson a cutting board with his name on it for his anniversary, that sort of thing. And this is really a cool device that you can do so much, and you can make something very simple into a custom item that's personalized. So go get a cutting board, go get a pen, go get whatever, get a cup, whatever it may be, piece of wood, probably better example, and you can engrave it and make it personalized for you. Think about that, coasters, all sorts of stuff that you're absolutely going to love. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We'll try to put the information on screen. We'll show you all about it. But this is awesome. Now, I think it's done. I'm gonna turn it off, just, looks like it's off. Take it out here. Just my first practice. I don't know if you can see that, folks. Can you see that? First time using it, really happy with it. Gonna clean it off a little bit. And yeah, this thing looks fantastic. So you can see the type of opportunity you can do with leather, all sorts of materials. This thing is second to none. Folks, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Like I showed you, the USB, the reset button, the HDMI, the Y interface. You have the emergency shut off and alarm right here. It's really the most straightforward device that you're ever going to get, and don't you dare miss it. Folks, one more thing that I want to pass on to you. It's a little bit later in the day. I've been doing a little bit more engraving. It's super fun. Like, this is super duper fun. As you get to learn the device a little bit, you'll get a little better and better at it. You'll figure out exactly what you need to do to prep your materials, like if you want to sand off the wood or, you know, just whatever. It takes a little bit of practice, but literally the first time I used it, I felt like I got something that was really cool. And that's the key, is that it's very intuitive. You'll be able to pick this up and run with it immediately. And I can't wait to make more stuff. Like, I'm already over on Photoshop designing new stuff that I can print out over here. Action figures and comic book covers and all sorts of stuff. You can do it on all sorts of materials. I'm gonna frame it. I can't wait. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and check this thing out. It is really cool. Goodbye, my friends.